A Day in the Life as a Marketing Student. Hi guys! This is Shannon, an online seller, pagitera, and now a first-year marketing management student. So for today's video, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo ang aking mga kaganapan sa araw na ito. So baka isipin nyo merong kaganapan ngayon or event, but nothing is special for this day. And ayan, of course, I have to wake up early because our first class is 7:30 a.m. So napakaaga. But as you can see, ay nandito ako sa stairs kasi ang aming first class ay sa 4th floor. Grabe, no? 4th floor, 7:30 a.m. in the morning. So, grabe, napaka-hectic talaga ng schedule ko, no? Lalo na kapag Monday. Kasi kapag Monday, most of our professors ay hindi nagpapa-asynchronous class. So, we are expecting that on Monday, we have a full face-to-face classes from 7:30 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. So, grabe, nakakapagod. At this time, tapos na yung first 2 classes namin in the morning and naghahanap na kami kung saan kami kakain for lunch. And dito kami napunta ng aking mga chingus. Well, it is my first time eating here kasi dati ang aram ko talaga is mahal digdi kasi bagong bukas siya. Pero ngayon, mura lang pala. Tapos only rice pa. So, grabe talaga ang nakakan ko dyan. Napabicol na pati ako. Sabi ko magtatagalog ako kasi ang target audience ko is nationwide. But yeah, arog talaga kayong pa nagvo-voice over kung ano lang magluwa sa utak. So, dito, pero dyan sa kinakain ko na yan, nakatatlong only rice ako. So, malakas talaga akong kumain, hindi lang halata. Lalo na kapag masarap yung ulam. At meron pa nga ako dito isang friend, humabol pa siya, and tingnan nyo naman yung kanyang plato. And ayan, we are done with our lunch for today. And ngayon, naghihintay na lang kami na tumila yung ulan kasi napakalakas talaga ng ulan. At ayan, ang bilis no, nandito na ulit kami sa Ateneo. So, dito ay papasak na kami sa library kasi dito na kami maghihintay for our next class. We have still 3 remaining classes for today. And dalawa in the afternoon and isa naman in the evening, which is the 6 to 7:30 p.m. So, hindi na ako nakapag-video, no? And this time, tapos na yung 2 classes namin in the afternoon and now I am on the way for our last subject for this day. So, it is a marketing class, my favorite subject. So, yan lang muna for today's video. Bye-bye!